Good morning, Stephanie Cameraman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's Whisper of the Day for April 30th. Yesterday's Whispers rocked. My traders were killing it. Momo, Wells Fargo. If you missed those, don't worry, I got a lot of new stocks for you today. Let's start with the SPY. So yesterday we had a very, very big dark pool level. In fact, we haven't had a dark pool level like this for a long time. 13 million. These were late dark pool prints that were coming in at 293.48. I did post that out on the app for you. That's going to be a really key level to watch, especially if we close below. Yeah, that's not going to be bullish if we close below, but today's levels are going to be bullish above 294. Targets are 294.50, 295, and we're going to be bearish below 293. Targets are going to be 292.50, 292, and 291. Let's go to the Qs. Yeah, the Q's taking a little bit of a hit. We are below that dark pool level that I told you about yesterday, that 190.30. We did get a real-time print yesterday as well at 191.02, and we are below. So yeah, tech stocks having a tough time this morning. But this 8 exponential moving average on the daily chart, right? That's a brick wall of support. If we break below that, look out below. We should have a pretty big move down to 189, 188. So that's going to be really, really key. So we're going to be bearish below 189. Okay. Target's going to be 188.50, 188, 187.50. Moving on down there. Coca-Cola was a whisper yesterday, and it just didn't quite get to that 48.50, but look where it is today. So that is still a key level. It's still above the prints. I love this. Above 48.50, same targets as yesterday. And USO, also another one from yesterday that didn't quite get there, but this morning is starting to move above, this 8 EMA. Daily chart, yeah, this is my day trading secret, you guys, looking at the daily chart. As long as we have that gravitational pull to the upside above the 8, very bullish. So I love it. Still above 13.37. Target 13.50, 13.60. Just remember, the first time it gets to a 50-cent increment level, like $13.50, computers are loaded to buy there. As far as entering above that, I like the second test. I like it to pull back 25 minutes or so and revving up its engines, increasing volume through that 50 level. That's really key. But that would be the first target. GE, this trade's already happening, and I had a feeling it was going to do it. That's why I gave you a super early push notification this morning. For those of you that do like to trade pre-market, I like to trade pre-market as long as there's liquidity, which you can see there is. There's a penny-cent spread here. So I love it. I hope you got this one. It's already hitting targets. It hit my 1062 target and 1075 target. Next one, 1087. Why 1087? The last eighth is the hardest eighth, the most expensive eighth in the entire world, according to Jesse Livermore in 1923. He said that, and guess what? It's 2019. It's still the hardest eighth to get. So I always tell my traders, cut the line and get out an eighth shy of those major levels. So we were bullish above 1050, and it's rocking and rolling. If I do see any prints, so we'll call it out. I was only bearish below 10. Let's go to the next one, AMD. Just be careful, earnings after the close, but a great day trade today. They really move a lot of times before the earnings, so we trade them before and we trade them after. So bullish above 28, you can see on this daily chart, yeah, it's kind of squeezed in between all this traffic, right? So we have a nice trade above 28 and a nice trade below 27.50, and that was my target yesterday. So yeah, if we go below that, look at, and you can see there is a guy here on the bid, 27.50. Yep, and there's a big seller at 27.95. I mean, at least that's the biggest one on the book so far. Let's go to XLF. So yeah, we do have the Fed meeting this week, but we had massive 3 million prints on XLF. So we're going to be bullish above those prints, but above 28.20. We did hit my upper trend line yesterday and sellers came in. So if we do break above that, I could see a big move. That might not happen until tomorrow if this is buying. But if it's selling, we're going to be bearish below 27.87. And I do have some targets there at 75, 60, and 27.50. That would be more of a retracement trade back down to this 8 exponential moving average. Let's go to Procter & Gamble. We had an unusual print yesterday, 440,000 shares at 105. It's a key level. And you can see it's like flat right again on that 8 EMA. These are always my favorite trades because we can either go up or we can go down from here, and there's room on both sides. So bullish above 105.25, bearish below 104.50, and it's going to have support at 104 if it does move down. That's where that simple 30 moving average is. That's a very powerful moving average. At least the first time, if it goes there, right? The second time, less buyers. That's when you would enter on the break below that, your second trade. Let's go to Apple. Apple earnings after the close, so be careful. But we had 2 million prints yesterday. Bullish above 205 and bearish below 203. Yeah, 2 million prints came in at 204.80. We are below that right now. But that next key down is 203. We've already tested it, pulled up, so we'll see if indeed they are they still want to buy there, right? If they don't, look out below. All right, JCI, Johnson Controls. This has great seasonality this time of year. Earnings are May 1st, tomorrow, before the open. So again, be careful. I actually put on a lottery ticket trade in the Java pin on this. We had massive prints. I mean, massive. 4.2 million at 36.80. Another 2.8 million at 37. Yeah, over the past week or so, these prints have been coming in. So I'm going to be bullish above 37.50. Maybe it'll have a nice move today before the earnings. Bearish below 36.75. Let's go to Facebook. Facebook had a big print yesterday, 500,000 at 194.55. So we're going to be bullish above 195. And we're going to be bearish below 194 for Facebook and Google. Yeah, who could miss Google's earnings? So what do you do here? What are we watching? Well, there's two things I'm watching. I'm watching this 50 simple moving average. This is so key as far as how we close today. A lot of times institutions come in the second day after earning and sell. You don't want to try to bottom fish the first day. It's always very dangerous unless there's a big print. If we see a big dark pool buy print and we start moving higher, yes, the big guys are coming in. But usually institutions sell the second day. So yeah, if we close below this 50 simple moving average, that is going to be very bearish. Watch this 1187.50 level. All right. $12.50 increments are the best levels for these expensive stocks like Google and Amazon and Priceline, right? And 1200, you can watch that and see if it can break above that or not. But again, those are the key levels. Just be careful with Google. I am bearish on a close below that 50 simple moving average. So there you have it. Those are your whispers of the day for April 30th. Until tomorrow. Happy trading. That's my secret. Gonna keep it my secret. My secret.